Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Smartphone World. An Asus smartphone has passed TENAA certification, which in turn gave us the first look of much awaited Asus ROG Phone 3 and revealed a lot of key specifications about the phone. In this video, we'll talk about the specs, price, and expected launch date of ROG Phone 3. Asus ROG Phone 3 will get a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz AMOLED display, 64 megapixel triple camera, 6000 mAh battery, and 30-watt fast charging support. Few weeks back, an Asus smartphone with model number i003DX was spotted on Geekbench, and rumor is that this will be the next gaming smartphone from Asus, the ROG Phone 3. The phone scored 910 points on single-core test and 3229 points on multi-core test. These scores confirm that Asus ROG Phone 3 will be powered by top-of-the-line flagship 5G processor from Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 865. As it's a gaming smartphone, Asus have overclocked the cores to get better performance from the processor. The prime core on the Snapdragon 865 is usually clocked at 2.84 GHz, but the TENAA listing showed us that the prime core has been boosted to 3.1 GHz. As Asus uses Snapdragon 865 to power the phone, ROG Phone 3 will have support for 5G. The phone will be available in 3 variants. The base model will have 8GB RAM, 128GB storage. The intermediate model will have 12GB RAM, 256GB storage, and the top model will have insane 16GB RAM and 512GB storage. Both 8GB and 12GB RAM models were spotted on Geekbench listings. Coming to the display department, the phone will get a massive 6.59-inch AMOLED display at Full HD Plus resolution. The TENAA listing did not reveal any details regarding the refresh rate, but we can expect the phone to have at least 120Hz refresh rate display. For security, there is an optical in-display fingerprint sensor like the previous year model. If you look at the images, the back design is similar to ROG Phone 2 with horizontal camera array and ROG logo. ROG Phone 3 will flaunt a triple camera setup that includes a 64 megapixel primary sensor, a 13 megapixel wide angle lens, and an unknown third lens. At the front, you will get 13 megapixel selfie cameras for taking selfies. The phone will run Android 10 out of the box with ROG UI on top, which is basically slightly tweaked Zen UI to match ROG gamer aesthetics. As per leaks, ROG Phone 3 will come preloaded with Google Stadia support and will also have support for ROG gaming features such as Aura lighting, refresh rate control, and performance boost. Unfortunately, Asus have decided to remove the headphone jack from their gaming smartphone. However, you have two USB ports in which one can be used to connect your USB Type-C headphones. Powering the beast is a massive 6000 mAh battery unit with 30-watt fast charging support. If you look at the specs, Asus ROG Phone 3 is an incremental upgrade over its predecessor with minor design changes. As of now, we don't have the exact pricing details, but if we are to speculate, then Asus may price the base variant of ROG Phone 3 around 50,000. As per leaks, the phone is expected to hit the stores next month, and if I come to know the exact launch date, I will share the information via a community post. I have made a dedicated video about the upcoming Galaxy M series smartphones. If you guys are interested, please do check the video. So what do you guys think about the Asus ROG Phone 3? Share your thoughts on the comment section. If you guys do like the video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to Smartphone World for more tech videos. As always, do what you love no matter what the outcome is. I'll catch you guys in the next video, and you guys have a great day.